carved by time, kissed by light. This is the Grand Canyon, a masterpiece sculpted over 6 million years, whispering stories of Earth's ancient soul. At its heart flows the Colorado River, the artist behind this colossal canvas, a 277-mile journey of persistence and power. Every layer of rock, every fracture in stone holds the echoes of extinct oceans, vanished creatures, and lost worlds. The canyon is more than a gorge, it's Earth's own diary. To the native peoples, this land is sacred. The Havasupai, the Hopi, and others see not just beauty, but spirit, a living place with soul and memory. Today, millions arrive to witness its wonder. By foot, by air, or by dream, the Grand Canyon speaks to all who listen. A monument to time, a cathedral of silence, a journey into the soul of the earth. This is the Grand Canyon, only on SkySquid. Subscribe to SkySquid for more breathtaking journeys around the world.